Hi everyone, welcome back to Lakshmi Putra Blogs Spoken English classes. Today I am going to tell you how to talk in simple past tense. First, we will see the formula and the definition of simple past tense. We talk simple past tense when the action is completed in the past. जी क्रिया भूतकाळात झाली ते दाखवण्यासाठी आपण साधा भूतकाळाचा वापर करतो. The formula of simple past tense is subject plus second form of the verb यानी कि V2 plus object यानी कि remaining part of the sentence. Let's start with example. I woke up at 6 o'clock. मी 6 वाजता उठलो. I brushed my teeth. मी दात घासलो. I took a bath. मी आंघोळ केलो. I had my breakfast. मी नाश्ता केलो. I packed my bag. मी माझा बॅग पॅक केलो. I went out of my house. मी घराच्या बाहेर पडलो. I caught a bus. मी बस पकडलो. I went to my office. मी ऑफिसला गेलो. I worked from 10 to 5. 10 ते 5 पासून मी काम केलो. I had my lunch in the afternoon. मी दुपारी जेवण केलो. I met my boss. मी बॉसला भेटलो. I had a discussion with boss for tomorrow's work. उद्याच्या कामाबद्दल बॉस सोबत थोडं चर्चा केलो. I returned home at 5 o'clock. मी 5 वाजता घरी आलो. I got fresh up. मी फ्रेश झालो. I had a tea. मी चहा घेतलो. I took a rest for a while. थोड्या वेळासाठी आराम केलो. I read भगवद गीता for an hour. मी 1 तास भगवद गीता वाचलो. I thought about भगवद गीता. मी भगवद गीतेबद्दल विचार केलो. I sat with my family. मी फॅमिली सोबत बसलो. We had dinner. आम्ही जेवण केलो. I watched news for 30 minutes. 30 मिनिटं मी न्यूज पाहिलो. And I slept at 11 o'clock. मी 11 वाजता झोपलो. तर मित्रांनो अशा प्रकारे if somebody asks you how to talk in simple past tense, how to tell you the simple past tense regular routine, you can talk in this way. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.